check your Discord password on your smartphone, you have to open a Google app. You can use any Google app. So I'm opening my Gmail. And now go ahead and sign into your Google account, in which account you saved your Discord password. Now tap on your profile photo and go to manage your Google account page. In here, tap on security and sign in. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on password manager. And you directly jump into Google Password Manager. In here, tap the search passwords and type here Discord. Then tap on discord.com. Verify your phone lock. And here you will find all of your saved Discord account login credential. Click this eye icon and your account password will be visible. From here, you can also copy your Discord password. So that's how you can actually see our Discord password in our smartphone. Thanks for watching.